Looking good. How far are we away from camp?
Not far at all.
That's cool.
Look
Nice.
how little that thing is.
Oh,
It's like a baby.
We're in Pennsylvania, and tomorrow we'll be checking out Mainline Overland's open house event, so that should be cool. Still kind of raining. This week's been rain, but it's in the 50s right now, so it'll be fun. Glad to get out and do some camping, so yeah. Going inside the warehouse. Check it out. Nice day with no rain.
Yeah, it's sun. I didn't know the sun was coming to this thing. That's pretty cool, hey? The sun. Hey, look, also didn't know we got front and center parking. I didn't even know we were here.
VIP.
There you go, bud.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. We could buy all sorts of stuff and things in here for camping. Yeah, we probably do some land.
Come on, Jamie, over here.
This is land, by the way. This is Oh, cool. That's a fun way to enter the shop.
Man.
They're working on all sorts of stuff and things. Ooh, yeah. This Mercedes, this G-Wagon. Yeah, dude. But, yeah, I mean, for a lot of that, this is where the food's at.
Oh.
And take an extra 30% off the latest spring looks from top designer brands. Plus get 15% off go-to beauty, skincare, and fragrances. Macy's stores are our every purchase. Basically getting our extra.
No, I haven't.
Savings on regular sale and
The sports calendar is loaded on because new customers get 200 $200. That's $200 you can use to get attorney, MLB.
Todd Houston here? Todd Houston? There you go. Congratulations. Thanks for coming out. All right, everyone, that's our raffle giveaway. Appreciate everyone coming out today. It was nice to meet you all. Had a great time talking with everyone. We'll still be open for another hour. If you got any other questions or still want to hang out, welcome to stay. But yeah, thanks again for coming out.